I'm Mark Eby from the County of Brant. Construction continues to go well on King Edward Street. Installation of the curb will begin next week and paving will begin the week after. You will also notice work continuing along the south ditch line as they install the water main to Meisner Road West. Work, such as the boulevards and road works west of Iron Gate Drive, will be completed in the spring of 2020. For the most part, King Edward will be returned to normal for the winter months. We thank you for your patience during this construction season.